हेलो एंड वेलकम टू द सीईओ लिस्ट। मैं हूं निहारिका और आज आप सबके लिए लेकर आई हूं एक एक्साइटिंग वीडियो फॉर द वंस हु डोंट नो मी। आई मेक रेगुलर वीडियोस ऑन मोटिवेशन, मेंटल हेल्थ, positivity, business ideas and creative writing. So if you want to check any of those videos, do check my channel and let me know what you think about it. Also, for the ones who are here for the mental health video, do check this video till the end, and the ones who are bored of mental health video, you can check the I button where I have recorded a poetry of mine. Do read it and let me know if you like it in the comment section. Let's begin with the video. Before beginning with the video, I just wanted to talk about few things. मैं बहुत लोगों से बात करती हूँ and they ask what videos do you make? Oh, okay, so you make videos on mental health, motivation, that's fine. But why do you do that? You can make vlogs, you can make other content, you can make interesting content. The only point I'm making mental health videos and motivation videos is because people don't find it interesting. But it is needed, it is important. We need to talk about mental health. I understand that vlogs, food, travel, everything is super exciting, and eventually I also will be doing that, but it's not that I won't stop talking about mental health. How boring it is for you, but I will still talk about it, because unless we talk about it, we won't understand and we won't normalize the fact that mental health is important. So for all of you who feels that I'm making boring content, I'm sorry, but this is the need of hour and I need to talk about it because maybe someone somewhere is in need of it. So too much gyan, let's begin with the video. The video is about, is it okay to be depressed? Am I the only one who is depressed? Why am I depressed? Am I not God's favorite child? Oh, why is it fine to be depressed? To break the series of these questions, I just want to say, I'm sorry to break your bubble. Unfortunately, you're not alone in this race of being depressed. Statistically speaking, every fourth person on this planet is said to be depressed of some sort of depression. So it's not just you who is feeling depressed, it's not just you who is feeling betrayed or lost. But there are people who are feeling the same thing, maybe worse or maybe better than yours. By no means I'm comparing what you're feeling with others, but all I want to say is it is okay to be depressed. It is okay to be lost at points of time, and it is okay to be lost in entirety. Because of the changing lifestyle, because of our daily routines, social media influences, the urge to perform better in everything, our 100% connectivity, even we are not connected in this 5G world, the lack of communication, physical and mental traumas often lead to depression, and it can be with anyone, you, me, or anyone. So you might not be depressed at this particular moment, you may be or you may not be, but what is more important is that we talk about it. What is more important is that we discuss about this with our friends, our family, our colleagues, so somewhere someone listening to this video understand and realize that it is okay and gets the courage to understand the fact that it's okay to be depressed, it's okay to feel lost. But what's not okay is to give up your life. What's not okay is to lose yourself just to fulfill the worldly expectations. What's not okay to not give yourself the second try that you need. What is not okay to just lose yourself in meeting others' expectations and desires. All you have to do is just fight your own demons, because no one else will gonna do that for you. You have to do it. Maybe someone is looking for that inspiration, and be that inspiration for yourself, and then might help someone who is actually in the need. So you can be that help, and never give up, because mental health and depression is real and it can happen to anyone, and it is okay to be depressed. So with this I come to the end of the video, and it's just an information, it's just a message that I wanted to give to many people who are just lost and not able to find themselves and not able to understand the fact that okay, this is happening to me and what should I do now. So just relax and just understand the fact that whatever is going on is going in a negative direction, but you have the power to change it, but you have the capabilities to turn the directions. So just believe in yourself and just be the game changer that you always needed in your life. Till then, keep watching my channel and keep supporting, because mental health is real and depression is real. So keep talking about it, how boring it gets, but still keep talking about it. Thank you. So if you like my video, do share it with your family and friends and let me know what they think about it, and do also share your comments in the comment section below. Till then, keep supporting and do subscribe, share and like my videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, tada.
Preview.